Okay, right now Shiba is seeing something I haven't seen since 2021. You see the price here with 5 zeros and 8.7. So, but when I go look at the chart, remember back in 2021, that summer, well, we're seeing the same prices that we've seen before you see a massive increase in price here. So this is what I did. I went in terms of Shiba profit spreadsheet, the captain spreadsheet, to basically break down if you have $500 or even $10,000, what does that look like today? Because I'm thinking here, we seen the prices down in 2021 that summer, then we all of a sudden we seen a massive movement up. So let's break this down. How much is $500 is worth today? My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Shiba to millions, but everybody starts somewhere. And let me go ahead and change this, because right now it is 5 zeros in the price based off the information right over here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, $500 would get you actually 56 million right now. So it brings me back here, because I do remember that, you know, $500, $1,000 will get you a lot of Shiba. So breaking this down, that's the price what it is right now. $500 the value of an investment of Shiba Inu. 5 zeros is in this price. 5 zeros in the price. That's the kind of the market cap. But I can go right here and probably get the more accurate. Okay, so this is a more accurate market cap. So I'm gonna go ahead and change this to here. And let me see if I did that right. I don't think I did that right. But let me see and take it back. Boom, boom. Dun, dun, So basically, you already know it's about 4 billion. So it's a 4 billion market cap. Let me see if I can paste that in there. Boom. Okay. So it's like a $4 billion market cap, and your Shiba profit is 9 cents, basically. I'm just saying right now. But here's the thing. Over time, let's say it loses 2 zeros. All of a sudden, your profit is $5,000. I did the 5, 3, 2, 1. I forgot the 4. But anyway. But what I'm trying to tell you is Shiba has been 3 zeros before, because if you go look at here, you see it right. I think I got to get close. Has it been 3 zeros, or has it always been 4 zeros? It has not. I apologize on there. It's been 4 zeros. So I probably need to go ahead and change this to 4 zeros here. So let me go ahead and change this to 4 zeros. All right. 4 zeros, so you get a profit of $74. Okay, so I do it at the 4 zeros right there. All right, and that market cap estimation is definitely will be completely different, because I did 4 zeros. But anyway, the big thing on this, if you did $500, if you won't see massive profits, it's definitely a holding and accumulation, in my opinion. So you want to get close to like maybe the 2 zeros, the $56,000, or even the big thing of doing that 0.010, which would be a $573 in terms of profit. Now, the market cap is just an estimating. It's not correct. It's just something I put in there for now. This will change based off the burns and also more holders get inside the ecosystem. Now, here's another one here, $1,000. Today, November 22nd, 113 million Shiba that you can get. Not bad at all. The price what it is today, $1,000. But check this out. If you waited to get for 3 zeros, you get about $10,000 in profit. Now, based on here, I did not see 3 zeros in here, but I do think that in the future, you could possibly see that. So that's something to look forward to. Now, $10,000 profit if you hold and wait to 2 zeros race off the current price. And then, of course, if you hold even longer, look at $100,000, possibly $1 million if it ever gets to that particular stage. Now let's move on to $5,000. Got $5,000. Want to go ahead and invest into Shiba Inu, Shiba to millions, or Shiba to profits. $5,000 will get you a 569 million of Shiba Inu, which is really, really good. The market cap, don't worry about that for now. That's just an estimating. I have to go back and kind of change that. But what I'm trying to get you to understand is that the price down here has went down since 2021, which meaning that if it gets back to where it was of the up high, you could see some profit here. Because I think Shiba in the long term, it's a good hold. Not financial advice, but I do think it's a good hold because there's a lot of whales behind it and it's a lot of production behind it as well. So with 50 or 5,000, you wait till they get to 2 zeros and a 1. $569,000. I know, that looks really, really good, don't it? And then of course, $10,000. I got $10,000. Okay, $10,000 will get you 1 billion, which is really, really good now. Wow, 1 billion right now? Okay. And then, but look at that. If you wait to here, 2 zeros off the price, you're looking at $100,000. 1 million if it gets to 2 zeros and a 1. And of course, it gets to a 0.01, you're looking at $11 million. Now, the market cap would change, obviously, because of different things, but with all the burns that Shiba's doing, the holder count, all the increase in terms of the gain they have, this could change. The market cap estimation could change based off all that type of volume. But one thing that got my attention was I was doing research and I noticed we're basically at 2021 summer prices, and right now we're in the fall, I would say winter of 2022. So my advice is always do your research, but Shiba Inu could be something profitable down the road, but you do got to have a strategy. Hold, increase, and continue doing your research. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, $500 is not bad, but if you got $10,000, that's not bad at all. But I think most people probably around here, possibly, maybe more. But just understanding, you seeing this, how low it was, and then you seeing, boom, it reached up to the top, and then got back down again, and then eventually it's gonna go back to the top. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next